Yo, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you guys all about this TST Industries Worx quick turn throttle for the Ninja 500, 400, Z500, Z400. This throttle tube is going to fit on all of them. It also reduces the total rotation, the total throttle rotation by 28%. That's a crazy amount. Some of their other quick turn throttles for other bikes only minimize it by like 19%. So 28% shorter throttle rotation is absolutely crazy. No tune required. As you guys see, direct bolt-on replacement of the OEM throttle. There's no other modifications needed. Just pull the old one off, put the new one on. It's going to have increased throttle response, decreased rider input needed to achieve full throttle, right? That's that 28% we were talking about. And then it's perfect like for racers, track day. This is mostly like a race modification, but for me, it's just going to be nice on the street because I want the bike to perform as best as possible. But in order to do this task, we need our throttle tube. We're also going to need a fresh set of grips. I use domino grips. We're going to be showing you guys how to change your grips on a motorcycle. So what you need for changing your grips and to install a quick turn throttle tube, you're literally just going to need some alcohol to clean off the bars once we take off the old grips. We're also going to need a little bit of grease to put here onto the throttle piece. We're also going to need hairspray. Now you can use grip glue for this. You can use compressed air, whatever you have to install the new grips. You're going to need something slippery that then dries sticky. So grip glue, of course, works. That's what's on here right now. That's what I'm going to have to pull out and take off with the alcohol. Also, let's throw in WD-40 as well. You might need a little bit of WD-40 and like a long flathead screwdriver to get underneath the grip, nice and slippery, so that we can pull out and get out on the road. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Smash the subscribe button if you are here learning something new on the Ninja 500 today. And if you just enjoy this install, because I don't do a lot of installs, but I want to do a lot more in the first things first is I'm just going to take my Allen key and take off both sides of my lever guards. Now these got to come off first, of course. If you have regular bar ends, you're just going to take off your regular bar end. All right, so yeah, as you can see, I took the lever guards off on both sides with the Allen key. So basically when it comes to taking off your grips, especially on the clutch side, there's no throttle to mess with or anything. You just need to get it loose enough from the bar that you're going to be able to pull it out. Even going to do a little bit of this, just WD-40 right onto the screwdriver. But yeah, let me know if you guys have done your own grips before, or if you have like a dealership do them or something. Look at this here. I think it's going to come right off. Yep. Give it a little bit of force. It's going to pull clean off. So just a little bit of WD-40 and this thing comes off like nothing. As you can see, boom. Also, this is my first time installing grips and stuff, so you guys are getting to witness me do this firsthand. So that's that grip. Trash. See you later. Now we got to clean the handlebar with alcohol. All right, I just poured some the alcohol that I showed you guys earlier, and now we're just going to get rid of any excess residue that's on these bars, especially since we just put WD-40 on there and got underneath. Now that the bar is clean, I have to choose between the right sizing on these domino grips. Each one comes with two sizes. One has a smaller hole here so that it fits with the clutch side like this, roughly like that, because as you can see, this goes on and off like this way too easily. So that has to be the throttle side, and the one that we need is going to be right here. This thing nice and good. Really got to put some force on it. Keep working it. You'll get it. Super close. Boom. Just like that. I am just applying my lever guard again. So like I said, for this side, we just need a regular screwdriver to open up the throttle casing. So it's just 2 regular screws, and we're just going to be able to slide the entire throttle and old grip right off. Once we unattach the throttle wiring, open up very gently. Okay, boom. So like I said, all we have to do is take off this little wire right here. Perfect. Take off this wire. There's 2 throttle tubes, 2 throttle cables. So both of those are off, and now watch this. Boom. Look at that. So easy, dude. Because the throttle tube is attached to the grip, so everything just comes off one foul swoop. I'm going to clean this real quick and then put the new tube on and close up the casing. Alright, so at this point I've slid the throttle tube on. I've attached the wires, the cables in the correct place. So let me just show you where that's going to be. So one side goes right in like that and goes to the left, and then follow the throttle cable into the casing like so, and then we're going to twist this one like this, and then it's going to fall right over top of this first cable, pretty much just like that. And then we'll move it a little bit closer, take our casing, there we go. Hey, there we go. A successful working Worx quick turn throttle. This thing has absolutely no play in it. It's amazing. So that got rid of the slop, which I had on the OEM throttle, and the full turn, I can tell how much shorter it really is. So this thing's golden. I'm just gonna throw my grip on here now, put it off camera, but I'm just gonna throw a little bit of hairspray on here, a little bit of hairspray into the grip, slide the grip on, put my bar end back on, and I'm going to catch you guys out on the road. Woo! Yes, sir. And before we get on the road, I just want to say I got my full NBT fit on. Code spring sale, code 2downdan. You'll save a total of 30% off. Code and test this throttle. Let's see if we can feel a difference. So, like I said, it's going to be a 20. Ooh, whew, I almost just stalled. It's going to be a 28% reduction in the turn of the throttle. The first thing I noticed so far is that it feels kind of tight. This is risky. But here we go. First acceleration. It feels nice. It definitely feels nice. The one thing I really like is that it got rid of all the slop. So there's no free play anymore in the throttle. It just turns and snaps right back into place. But yeah, that's the main thing I notice right now, is that it feels a little stiffer. Like it feels like there's a little bit more tension to pull it. But again, it doesn't go as far, so I don't know if that plays a factor into it. I'm gonna go around this car because I want to push the throttle. Full pin. That's the nice part, is that I hardly have to twist my throttle anymore to get to the full pin, which is amazing. I used to have to like roll the throttle and then almost like adjust my hand to continue getting all the rest of the throttle. But yeah, man, overall, so far, first couple minutes on the road, bike feels great. Like I said, I'm just stoked that I was able to do it myself. Let's take a turn right here. Pulling the clutch, back on the throttle, first gear. Ooh! Yeah, it rips through first gear now. Oh my God. It takes like a half a second to get from 0 to 25. And usually right around 25 miles an hour is when I'll shift up. I mean, shit, I'm already in 5th gear. Rev match, fourth gear. Yeah, I would say overall, maybe it's going to take me a little bit of getting used to. I'll be interested to try this out on the highway and see what it feels like having to hold it like open a lot more. It might cause some tension on my wrist a little bit, but it feels nice. Whew. Yeah, man. I should have done this mod a lot sooner, dude. I've had this thing for like 2 months, you guys, like a month and a half at least. And I've just been putting off putting it on because I didn't know if I was going to be able to do it myself. I was super nervous. I don't do a lot of mods myself, only easy stuff. And this kind of was on that border of like easy / intermediate. But yeah, TST has a really good install video. I followed that video. You guys can also follow my video or TST's. I'll link that video in the description. Ooh, she sounds good. But yeah, man, the throttle feels great. Got rid of all the free play. And I think over time, I'm really going to get used to it and enjoy not having to pull the throttle back so far just to get it going, you know? So yeah, man. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you have a throttle adjustment on your bike. Ooh, that was a bad takeoff. Hold on. Yeah. Oh yeah, one more acceleration. 70. Rip it. Man, I need a new tire, new front tire so bad. But yo, let's go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I don't do a whole lot of installs and like working on the bike, so I hope you guys enjoyed the little change up of content. You guys learned how to put on grips today. You learned how to put on a Ninja 500 throttle tube, and you got to see how it works out on the road. So I can definitely tell the difference. It's not as sloppy and it doesn't move around as much. The throttle kind of just stays in place until I twist it. That was the one thing I didn't like, was when I used to grab my old throttle, it would move around before making any power. Yeah, it was really weird. So let me know if you guys are not liking your Ninja 500 throttle. Let me know if you think this would be a good mod for your own bike. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this one, you guys. I appreciate you sticking around, watching it. And hit that subscribe button in the middle, dude. I am trying so hard to get to 25K by the end of the year, but it's not looking good, man. The progress has been really slow, so we have got to pick it up a bit. So let me know what you guys want to see in the comments. I'll try to provide as best as I can. But thank you guys so much for watching another video. I'll catch you on the next one. Subscribe in the middle. Watch one of these 2 videos. Thank you guys so much. Peace.